Shalom, shalom, shanipo. This session looks at the similarities between Hebrew words and Bantu words, starting with the letter Zayin, which sounds like Z. The first we'll look at is Zot, which means this in English, and it stands for a person or a thing or idea present or near in place, time or thought, as prominent or pointed out. Similarly, Icho refers to a thing or idea in Ichiremba. The next word is Zavar, which means sacrifice, an act of offering to a deity something precious. To kill an animal for an offering. A similar word, Seva, in Hebrew also means sacrifice of an animal killed for an offering. A similar word in Ichibemba, Sefia or Ukusefia, means a celebration or a ceremony. Next we have Zuv, Zur, which means issue, to flow out, to go, to pass, or flow out. Ileswa or Suma means something, usually a liquid, is flowing in Ichiremba. Next we have Zakar, which is male, being the gender who begets offspring, one who acts and speaks for the family, like an elder of the family. Zekuru in Shona and Shikuru in Ichibemba has a similar meaning. Did you know that the word Egypt is also known as Mizraim in Hebrew and Aramaic? A similar word in Ichibemba, Ichipute, refers to a boil. Now remember the Bible story about the boils of Egypt. Shalom, shalom, shalom.